When a noisy highway is close to your house, you're going to need a fast-growing screening tree. This is my house, and I have green giants along the roadway adjacent to my house because they grow fast. These were planted 7 years ago, and now they're almost 15 foot tall, and they give excellent blockage for this road. This road has heavy traffic, and we can barely see the cars or trucks going by. For 2017, we have green giants available from rooted cuttings to 6 to 7 foot trees. Call us at 215 651 8329. We do deliver and plant. Thank you.